Hello everyone, so today we continue about our lesson 6. So today we talk about 3 more functions. So the first one, proper functions, right? So the first one, proper function, and the second one, replace function, and the third one, text function. So today we cover 3 of these functions, right? So don't waste the time, let's get started to all 3 of these functions. Okay, so the first one we talk about proper function. So what is proper function, right? So look at the meaning of this one. Proper function used to capitalize the first letter in each word. I think this one is not difficult because it's similar to lowercase and uppercase that convert the letter to a lower or uppercase letter, right? So now you look at the syntax of this one. You just type the name of the function proper, right, and argument in the middle is text that you want to convert to capitalize, right? So now take a look at this one, the example one, right? I have 3 examples. Example 1, you see this is all lowercase letter, so when convert to capitalize it look like this. So the second one we combine with 1 capital letter, but when we convert it look like this. The third one, you look at this one, have 2 capital letter, but when we combine, you see like this, because this is capitalized, the first letter of the word, right? So proper function, I think it's not difficult. Okay, so move to the next functions. We talk about move to the next function. Okay, we talk about replace function. This one, yes, a little bit difficult for these functions, right? Okay, so now take a look at the meaning of this function. Replace function replace text based on location, right? It replaces the text based on the location. Okay, so what does that mean? You might don't understand about this one, right? So now take a look at this example. Before you take a look at this example, so now take a look at the syntax. Also look at the syntax and example at the same time, right? So the syntax replace old text, right? So the first one is an old text. So this is the replace function, and like you see, like you already know, right? Function, after function use the argument, right? Okay, so now replace old text. So this one is an old text, mean that existing text. The second one, start num, means start number. Start number means you want to start to replace with a number that you want. It means the number character that you want that count from left to right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and number of character that you want to convert. You want to convert 3 numbers, right? So new text, you want to replace it but 1, 2, 3 with 4, 5, 6. And the result will return XYZ 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think you don't understand about this one, right? Okay, so to understand more clear about this, so now take a look at this example. Okay, so now this is an original text, or we can say this is an old text based on the syntax of it. So this is an old text. So now take a look at the formula that I typed in Excel. So first one, you type an equal sign and then you type replace the name of the function. And why I put A2? A2, I want to refer this one, old text, existing text. This is cell A2, right? Cell A2. And this one, why I put number 8? Because I want to change number 7 here. My purpose, I want to change number 7 to number 8, mean change 2017 to 2018. Right, so I put number 8 here, mean we count from left to right. It means the 8 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, right, 8. Start num. Start num means start number of character 8. Here, right, 8 character. And this one, why I put number 1? Yes, I put number 1 because I want to replace only 1 character. Remember, number of character mean 1. I want to replace only 1 character. I put this here in double quotation mark. Number 8 mean that I want to replace the number 7 with number 8. I mean I want to replace this one, the 8 character, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to replace the character that location number 8, right, with letter A. Again, for this example, so first you must understand about the syntax first. So syntax, you must follow the syntax. Syntax means formula, right? Like in math, right? You must follow the formula to calculate some number, right? So this one, first you type an equal sign and type the replace. It means the name of the function. And old tag, start num character, and new tag. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, in replace function, we have 4 arguments, right? So now take a look at this example again. So my purpose of this one, I want to convert 2017 to 2018. I mean I want to replace only one character, number 7 and number 8, right? So now take a look at the formula that I type. So first I type an equal sign and the name of the function, replace, and I type A2, mean that this one old text. So old text mean, yeah, A2, this is cell A2, right? I'm sorry that I'm not yet include the cell number or column, right? So this one cell A2 and number 8. Why I put number 8 here? Because you see, I want to convert number 7, but the location, right? You see, replace text based on location. So the location of number 7 is the location number 8, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I put number 8. Why I put this one number 1? Number of character. They ask you, they know, Excel want to know how many numbers that you want to convert or replace. So I put 1, yeah, because I replace only 1. So this one I put number 8 in double quotation mark because I want to replace number 7 with number 8. Number 7 based on location number 8, right? Don't forget to put double quotation mark. So the result will look like this. And when you click on the field handle and drag down, the result will automatically for you at the end, 001, 002 until 006, right? Okay, so now look at the last functions. Okay, don't worry, at the end of this lesson, I will show you in real Excel, and I will show you the ways and how to do classwork also, right? For some students, they don't submit classwork back to me, so means 0, okay? So the last one, we're talking about text function. So what does text function mean, right? Text function convert a number to text in number format. Convert number to text, right? Okay, so now take a look at the syntax. So the syntax of this, we have equal sign and then the name of function text, and this function have 2 arguments. Remember, if you want to understand clearly about function, you must understand about the argument of the function and must know how many arguments that this function need, that each function need, right? So this is a value and number format. So now take a look at this one, this table also. Do you still remember in grade 6? Inside text function, we need this one, right? Do you still remember this one? This is the code name that, for example, when you want to format text, or format the year, format the month to January, or you want to type day like Tuesday, this is the shortcut, right? Like this, so we type DDD, MMDD year, right? So I think you still remember this one in grade 6. So I will include this one again in order for you to remember this and easy to understand my example, right? So now take a look at this example about this one. So now take a look at the syntax about it again, right? I show you here, easy for you, easy for me to explain you, right? So now take a look at this one. So now take a look at this. This is what we want now. So take a look at value. It means that value that I given to you. And this is, you must write text function in order to get this result, right? Okay, so now, like you see, this one, 12. Okay, we show all first. Okay, like you see, 12, 17, 2013 is the value. So the result I want to convert all of these to text, like this. So Tuesday mean this date March to Tuesday, right? So how to write like this? So the first one, you see, first we type an equal sign in the text functions, and this one the value mean A2, right? This is A2, cell A2, and DDD. Why I type DDD 4 times? Because I want to convert this one to Tuesday, right? Like you see in this code, when you want to type Tuesday for full, you type DDD 4 times. When you want to type the short form, Tues, you type D only 3 times, right? So I type M 4 times, I refer to January here, right? So this is just an example. M 4 times means show the full name of the month. So this one will show December. So this one shows 17 here because I type D 2 times. Look at here. D1 mean that the date first. But when you type D 2 times, I forgot to include here. D 2 times you will see double number, right? It means the number that have 2 more than this. Okay, thank you for today's lesson, right? Hello everyone. So this is example in real Excel. So I divide it into 3 worksheets, right? The first, the second, and the third. And the classwork I also design the same like this one also, okay? And instruction I will give in here when I send classwork to you, right? So this one I want to example again about proper function, replace function, and text function again in real Excel, right? So the first one we talk about proper function. So as you know, proper function used for convert, right, lowercase or uppercase, or combine lowercase and uppercase to capitalize the word, right? So to do this, so first you type an equal sign and then the name of the function, right? So this one, the name of the function is proper function, right? So we write a proper function first. Okay, so this one, double click. So when you work in real Excel, it's not difficult, right? Because this one show you already about the argument of it, right? So argument text, refer to this one, right? So click on this and then close the parenthesis and press enter, right? So this one we convert to capitalize each word. So click and drag a field handle, so you will see the result like this, right? So the result will look like this. Okay, so the second we talk about replace functions. So what does replace function mean, right? Used to replace text based on the locations. So now I want to convert 2017 to 2018. Mean that I want to convert only the first only this letter, right? Only this number 7 to number 8. So this one we use replace functions. So how to do this? First we type the name of the functions. Replace, right? Replace like this. So the argument we show for you, the first one old text. So where's the old text, right? Yes, old text refer to this one, the existing text. Between argument you type comma, put 1 space to separate it, right? You can put space or don't put space, it's okay, but when you put 1 space it look easy for you, right? Easy to look. So start number, as I show you, start number, it means start the location of the number. So we want to convert replace number 7, right? So 1 2 3 4, this one also count, right? 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this location based on location number 8, so I type number 8, right? And then I have 1 comma space number of character, mean that how many number of character you want to convert. So I want to convert only 1 character here, right? So I put 1 comma space. So the text that we want to replace must be inside double quotation mark like this, okay? Put it in the middle and type number 8, and don't forget to close the parenthesis, right? After that you press enter, so you will see the result like this, right? So it will replace this one like this. click and drag down, it automatically replace this location for you, and this one remain the same, right? Okay, so I think this function a little bit difficult, right? But to understand function clearly, you must know the argument of the function, right? Okay, so the next one we're talking about text function. Yes, this time look a little bit messy, right? But I want you to understand clear about this one. So I will drag this one to here first, easy for you to look, right? So this one right here, and this one here. Okay, I will explain you more about this one. So this is the table that show you the code name, or when you want to convert like this, right? Okay, this one you know already in grade 6. So now all of these example, yes, I will convert to this one. This is an instruction, right? So the first one, yes, you see, give only the number that convert the number to text. So this is text function. So how to convert this one to Tuesday? Because on 12/17/2018 match with Tuesday, right? So how to show this one? So to write this function, first we type an equal sign and then text function, right? So when you type text function, so first one, value, here is the value, right? So separate by comma and have a space, and then number formats. Number format text, remember, inside the double quotation mark, like this. You type the double quotation mark and put the text inside double quotation mark. So now, so this is the instruction, right? Instruction, the result. The result want you to show Tuesday. So you see, Tuesday is the full name, the full form of the date. You see, this is the short form, right? Tuesday. So full form means you type DDD 4 times for the Tuesday. So you type DDD 4 times. You can close the parentheses and test your result. Okay, you see Tuesday. Double click on it to continue your work. So you see it separate the original, the result separate by comma. So you must separate by comma too. And then the next day one December, right? December means 12 here. So we put month first. So you just type 12 is the number here, so you can see. Yeah, look like this. Month. Want to show December. You see here, this is the full form, December, January here, example. So you type MMM 4 times, like this. Right, MMM 4 times, space, and then what they want, 17, right here. So 17 is the number. D 1 time, we show you only one number, and you type D 2 times, like this. And press enter, right? So the result will look the same, this one. Okay, understand this one? So now take a look at the second example. Second example want you to show $100.00, right? So to type this, you type equal sign and then type text, right? And inside this one, you type double quotation mark because you want to write the text, right? Oh, this one we combine it with a dollar sign, right? So to combine with dollar sign, first, no need to type function first, I'm sorry. So first, you type an equal sign and then double quotation marks and put dollar in the middle of these quotation marks, right? And then use one ampersand sign. Ampersand mean when you combine the number with the letter, right? So for example, you type letter like this, register by Tuesday, and then combine it with the date, this one, combined with the number, so we use ampersand sign, right? So this time we use text function. We type text function, right? And then the value, this one, yes, and then we have one comma, and then like you see, formatting text, I put in the middle of the double quotation marks, and inside this one you must put the letter 0, refer to any number, and put dot, 0 0 0 0 two times in decimal place. We put two decimal place, 0 at the beginning, 0 at the first, mean refer to any number, right? And dot 0 0 two times mean we want two decimal place, right? So that one, and then you close the parenthesis and press enter. So this one you see, right, the result. Example, you put this one 0 3 times. So when you put 0 3 times, so the result will see 0 3 times at decimal place, right? So this one we only two times, we only two zero place, sorry. Oops. So we'll delete this one and press enter. So now look at the third example. You see, the third example combine this number with text, right? So you see, we have text register by, and then combine it with this one, Tuesday, April, right, like this. So to combine, we write like I showed you before, right? So now first you type and then double quotation mark to write the text. Remember, text are written inside double quotation mark. So now this time you type register, right? You type register, register by, right? Register by, and one space, right? Register by, and then use an ampersand sign. Mean that you combine the text with numbers or date or times. Then choose the text function. Choose the text function, right? And then value here. And then one comma and double quotation mark in the middle. So what do you want now? You want Tuesday, right? Here, DDD 4 times. But they want now not a comma like this. They have this one hyphen here, and then April. Show you the short form, right? DDD 3 times. DD 3 times, and one more. Oh, sorry, I forgot. This one here. Yes, April and first. Show you here. Okay, so they won now. Okay, April and first. So first you type D only one time, right? And next, what they want, 2014. So 2014, you just type Y 4 times. Yes, and close the parenthesis and press enter, right? So now you see the same result like this. So this one Y, this one show you April 1st. This one show this one you see, this is Tuesday and choose. Because I type DDD and I type DDD 3 times, 4 times, right? So the first one you see Tuesday, right? So we type DDD 4 times, and April refer to month, so we type M. I'm sorry, right, about this one. So we type M 3 times. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so now take a look at the last example, right? When I show you here. Okay, so this is 25%, but we combine with this text like this. Okay, so now we type like this first. Yes, we combine the text with the number, right? So first we type an equal sign, we type double quotation marks, yes, and then we type the words profits are up by, right? As you can see, and then we connect with ampersand sign to connect it with this one, and then we type text functions. We type text function and then select the first one, have a comma, space, and then the number format. Remember, number format are inside double quotation mark like this. So this is, we type 00, we have 2 digit, right? And then we put the percent sign and close the parenthesis like this, right? You see, example, you change this one to 35%, this one will update to 35% too, right? Yes, so put like this. And the last one, this year, you must be connect with the word this year also, right? So this is the text functions. This is the parentheses of these text functions. Okay, so now we must have ampersand sign one more because we combine three separated texts. The first one is here, and the second one is the number, and the third one is this text. So now we type this like this, double quotation marks, and put one more space because after we should have one space like this, right? And then we type this here, right, and press enter, right? So you see, even you change this one to 45%, example, you change it to 45%, so this one we update to 45% also, right? Okay, so this is the function. Okay, like I showed you this one. Why this one I don't use here? So I want you to remind again about this $sign. No need to type like this. No need to do this, right? You just type text function A1 and then use $sign in the number also. So it's the same, right? So this one is short than the example that I show you. I show this example because I want you to have a basic understanding to all of these two, to two of these example too, right? Okay, so for classwork, I will put this one like this, and I will put instruction at the bottom like this, right? Okay, so don't forget to submit me the classwork at this time or by tonight, right? So tomorrow I don't get it. So for students that you work on mobile phone or on your iPad or any tablets, you can do on Google Sheet. So what is Google Sheet? Google Sheet is the file that when I upload Excel file, you can double click on my Excel file, right? Double click on my Excel file and then you click, you open with Google Sheet, right? If you don't have computer, you can work with Microsoft Excel. But I still recommend to use Microsoft Excel, okay? I hope that all of you have computer, right? Okay, so thank you for joining online class today. Okay, goodbye.